So with the 3 electoral laws that are existing at the moment, we can confirm that after the 2022 general election review and also stakeholder consultation that we've had so far, that there are some provisions that are still restrictive to our stakeholders. So on that note, we will be reviewing the 3 electoral laws, and in reviewing the same, we will get in consultations from our stakeholders to just help us in reviewing and implementing the laws that is practical for the next general election.
To amendments?
Yes, so when I'm talking about the review of the 3 electoral acts, I'm talking about the entire laws and all the provisions that exist in that laws. And the only way we can do amendment is through consultation and see what are the relevant provisions that needs to be amended. And this will be an inclusive consultation. At the moment, we just had our strategic plan committee in place. I will not promise a month, but what I can say is that this year we will work on it.